What's up guys? Myself Adithya from Techguru. So today we are going to be unboxing the amazing Dell wireless keyboard and mouse. Dell actually claimed that this would last up to 7 to 8 months. Isn't it cool? So what are you waiting for? Let us start unboxing. So guys, here it is finally. So let's start unboxing. Whoa. The build quality of this is an entire next level. Wow. Wow. The clicks, the scrollings, everything is pretty good. So mouse is a pretty great thing they have given. So now the main thing, the enormous keyboard. Wow. Both of those, the build quality is really great. They've given the back hinge. Yes. The hinges are pretty powerful. Now let's see the typing experience. Wow, everything is really great and it's pretty good. All the length of the keys and everything is actually pretty good. So the most important time, the mouse or the keyboard? It's definitely the keyboard. Alright guys, that was the unboxing. I hope you liked this video, so please like it and also subscribe here. Watch this amazing video and I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.